The last section that I'm going to show you guys is the head. All you need is 2 leaf pieces, 1 2x2 flat piece with a stud on top, and 3 cylindrical yellow bricks. First, take the 2x2 flat brick with stud on top, and all 3 yellow bricks, and put the yellow bricks on the bottom of the flat piece so that it fills up 3 of the 4 slots, like that. And so those are going to be the 3 heads. Finally, take the leaves and put the bottom of the center leaf onto the stud, like that. And then take the second leaf and put it in the opposite direction, like that. That's just how I would put it. I mean, you could put it other ways so it would look a little less organized, like that. You could put it like that. You could put it any other way. I just prefer this way. So there is the head.